Hi guys, so today I've done around 5 kilometers. Imagine 5 kilometers, that's around 23,000 steps. So I've decided to do some exercise hapa kwa barabara. As you can see, I'm feeling good guys. Woo! Yes, I've done it, so come quick.
1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Change. Stop. So